Taking a deep breath, she cried, Rukumani, there was a beggar here. Poor thing, he had such boils on his feet. Now she told her aunt that there was a beggar came, and he did not have sleepers. So said Rukumani grimly, turning to Ravi, you gave the master's chapel to that old beggar who turns up here. Now, the Rukumani said in an angry way to Ravi that you gave the master's chappals to the particular beggar. Children these days, groaned Pati. Now, Pati added here, Pati groaned means a little bit buried, and children these days nowadays children like to do these things. Amma, didn't you tell me about Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earrings? He was so kind and generous. Now he told her that he reminded her about the particular character of the epic Mahabharata, Karna, who gave everything in donation, his gold earrings. He was so kind and generous. He reminded her about the particular character. Silly, snapped Rukumani. Karna did not give away other people's things. He only gave his own. Means here she shouted and told him that Karna didn't give anything which is not belong to him. He gave everything which is belong to him also, him only. But my chappals wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. Ravi rushed briskly on, and Amma, if they did fit, would you really not have minded? Now he said that his slippers was not fit in the feet of particular beggar. That is why he gave the slippers of teachers. And if his slippers would fit in beggar's feet, you would not mind? He asked Rukumani. Ravi, said Rukumani, very angry now. Go inside this minute. Now she was very angry over Ravi and told him to go inside the house. She hurried indoors and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn new chappals. These should fit you. Sir, please put this on. I am so sorry. My son has been very naughty. The music master's eyes lit up. He put them on, trying not to look too happy. Rukumani brought up her Gopu's mama's slippers, which was just bought up. Okay, so she gave the particular slippers to teacher and say sorry to him about his son's naughtiness. Okay, now the music teacher took them, but in a very like he's supposed to show that he was not happy, and then he said, well, I suppose these will have to do. These days children have no respect for elders. What to do? Hanuman incarnate, only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. Now he gave the example of Hanuman naughtiness, because Rama can entertain such type of naughty fellow. He compared the young children to Hanuman. Rukumani's eyes flashed. She didn't seem to like being called a monkey. Ravi being called a monkey, even a holy monkey. She stood stiff and stayed by the front door. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. So now here Rukumani felt some relax in her eyes. She was a little bit relaxed. When he had clattered off in his new chappals, he said, Mridu, come in and have some tiffin. Honestly, how do you children think of such thing? Thank God Your Gopu Mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. As she walked towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh, but he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappal. As soon as he comes home, what's you mama going to say this evening when I tell him gave his chappal to the music teacher? Now they she Rukumani thought if Gopu's mama come to know about the truth, what would we say to him? If he wear the particular slippers, then we are not able to they were not able to give them to the teacher. Now they are thinking about the answers of mama's question which he would be asked to them. Okay, so that is about that is whole about a gift of chappal. That was the gift of chappals to the teacher. Okay, so reading part has been finished. Question answers in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.